Hi all. So in this video I will explain this how to solve another challenge on the Robotic ICT community forum. So this is on the challenge. The task is open this web page and then extract the data. So I think just price in euros. It's also needed to change to euro. So as you can see, all changed, all update. And then extract price per country per liter, and then calculate how much the gasoline consumption for each country. How far you can get when you spend 100 euros for gasoline in each country. So I've already solved this, as you can see, and this is the solution. So I've opened browser, updated the value. So choose euro, created data table. Next, I've extracted all countries. So this is the selector for all those countries. And filter. And here is selector. Very simple. Next, I've converted all countries, all countries to the collection. In this case is list. Next, I've forgot to check one thing. Yeah, okay. Next, I've extracted all prices. You can see selector, not so pretty, but it's just a test task. So I thought it's okay to use, in this case, CSS selector. Next, I've performed almost the same and created a collection list of prices. Next, I've closed the browser, and at the end, I've iterated through all of the countries and calculated and added row to the final data table. So I've only added this thing. So first of all, why I choose list? So to decrease the amount of possible steps. So for example, if we got list boundaries equal, example, A, B, C. This is not an this is pseudocode example. So list countries index method index of for example C will return 2. This is index of this value. So we all know that counting starts from 0, 0, 1, 2. So it's okay. And for example, for A, it will be 0. So let's start from explaining how I've added the first value in this add data row, array row will be country, as you can see here. Next will be list prices, and because we've got equal amount of prices and countries, I thought it will be okay. It will be good to use such method. So to pick the price for the needed country, first of all, I'm picking the index of that country, and then I use this in this step, in this part, and then I use this integer which I receive from this method index of to get the needed element in prices list. And at the end, sorry, not the end, last but not least, variable is calculation of how much, how far we can travel per 100 euros. So this is simple conversion using byte round method to remove a lot of unnecessary symbols, because this is not a task in our task. And there is simple calculation, and the prices same as picking up the price, same as here. So let me show you. Okay, run file. It opens at euro, extract data, and and 9 seconds, and here is the result. As you can see, all filled. So, and 2 days ago, I thought, why not to update this solution using HTTP request? So let's try. Get prices HTTP request. Okay, first of all, let's pick this. We've already got, oh yeah, HTTP request, endpoint, and that's all. Sorry. Yeah. And here will be, I will call this variable. Next, let's write text file, rec result, so will be rec result xt. Okay, run it and check what we've got. 1 second, okay, and is yeah. For Venezuela, it's they've got a very cheap gasoline. So let's search for 0.17. Nope. But if we choose US dollars, there is a little bit different value. So okay. So as I understand, that by default, this site use US dollar sets this this select to US. We need to I've opened it DevTools, so we need to understand how it works. Okay, so let's euro, and that's all. Okay, here we've got our, I think it's our HTML, but this is very interesting part. It's redirect, and let's go here. As you can see, here goes form data with 2 parameters. This and currency, volume type, I think, and the currency. So let's try with extracted data, but default. Let's try to update this. Okay. First of all, let's change the method to post. Next, we will add parameter this, then currency, and let's euro. Now let's rerun the bot. Hey. Okay. Oh, 5 seconds. Too much. But let's check. For euro, first let's check dollars. Nope. For euro, it's 17. Yeah, hooray. So let's extract the data. I think will be good to use regex. So parse that input. Create first of all to create DT data table. Put next let's column names. Let's start 1, 3. Price and distance. Okay. Output. So let's use regexes to extract the data. I'll use file. And now let's first we need to extract all the countries. Countries input match. Yes. Okay. And next will be prices. Okay, all other parameters almost the same. Prices. So let's try to get all the countries. It's prices, and I think almost get to the countries. Yeah. So here are the countries. Looks very good. So I will use look behind and look forward. So uh, now the bot will search for the old text that starts from this till any other condition. But we need this text between. So I will use this. Sorry. Behind and look forward. Then we'll okay, and voila, we've got all needed values, but also got this. Oh, I will replace this at the end of the process. It won't took much time. So let's do this. Next, we need to extract prices, and the prices extraction will be almost the same, but instead of using this, I think this will be good. Oh, let's pick color. Be sure. Okay, there is 167 countries. So let's check for the prices. Yeah, same matches for the prices. So update here. Okay, now let me think. Oh, okay. So because I will use this part of the solution of my previous solution, I will need to create just to prettify the code a little bit. I will create few additional lists. List prices. Sorry, countries and list. Yeah. So the all will. Oh, sorry, not array. List. Of string, and now let's yeah. let's convert all those matches to the list, calculate the distances, and build it at the table. And build the BT. Okay, so first we'll list countries. As much as countries. Select function f value. So we will pick all the values to list, and that's all. Okay, next will be list prices. I've already copied this code, so I will put here. And only change I will the only change I will do is change matches countries to it matches prices. This done. Next, wait the distances. So will be list distances. Now I will took this code and we'll use it here. Because why to create the wheel if we invent the wheel if we from I in is matches countries, because we'll use countries to find the index. We will just select and start this function. Now let's let's paste previously created code. So this and list prices, list countries, and here will be f value f, and now link, and let's convert it all to list. So this is done. Let's I forgot. We need to update the countries. Remove the text. So from list countries, select function f replace and PSP colon empty to list. So that's all for the preparation part. And now let's build a output data table. So let's start. Okay. From E in no variable sorry, range from 0 to selection array of our lists. First will be list countries array, second list prices to array, and third one will be list to array. Zoom in a little bit. Next will function x when and all will be converted to list. And let's create variable a and assign range. Range. I'll copy this part. And array. Next, let's create row item. To call it row. And then select row array. Was correct. Functions. Now we will use this array or list converted to array. Then x element add or alt. Okay. And now select output rows and row array. Copy to the table. Yeah, I think that's all. Let's check. Where's the problem? Oh, I forgot to index. And mistype here. Yeah, that's all. So I think it will work. So let's try this here. Result. This way. And out. So remember, I think it will be fast enough. And without using the UI. So 1 second. Oh. As you can see, all done. And faster than. So thanks for watching. Great day. Bye.